Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Expired काल
काल 11
पुढे
आज
17 म्हणून तुम्हाला बोलवलं आज.
3 were brought dead in peripheral hospital. Brought dead.
So basically with 17 deaths we have to be very careful. Okay, so today's rate of positivity is further increased to 34% with 940 cases which are positive. आणि तुमका एक सांगता की आमचे डॉक्टर्स बी खूप पॉझिटिव्ह जावंक लागल्या. ही परिस्थिती आहे म्हणजे लोकांनी खंय तरी गरज पडल्यारूच भायर वचपाची गरज आसा. सरकारान सगळे करचे अशे मनान लावन वचूं न्हय. सरकार करता आपल्या रितीन कितें करूंक जाय तें. As I am speaking to you, I have received more than 15-20 calls for beds and other things. We don't know, a lot of people we can say that it is a spike that may go up and come down, but we don't know when it will come down and how it will come down. Along with it, it will take away a lot of people if we do not take all measures and put all measures in place. 121 was a bed ward which was generally used for non-COVID patients. I have converted that, dismantled it and made it into a COVID ward because we are running short of rooms. We have to increase the number of percentage of beds in private hospitals. There is no question of everybody deciding what they want to do. Nobody should come to try to put pressure on the government. Ultimately, every hospital has to pitch in order to see that we are able to deal with this type of crisis. Tomorrow we are having a meeting with them. I think at least 40% of the beds should be given to us. Now from the media, we require people, appeal to the people is to come forward, people who are eligible to donate plasma. Plasma is something that we want to start using, we are using, but we need more plasma. Cases also are going to be more proportionately, more beds will be required. Ponda Hospital, I have already put on note that ESIC Hospital to be a COVID hospital, South Goa District Hospital to be a COVID hospital. Shiroda CMS said that will be a COVID care center. Shama Prakash Mukherjee Stadium we have taken, and Ponda Hospital will be a COVID hospital. कारण देशभरान आयजच्या दिसा ऑक्सिजनाचो शॉर्ट सप्लाय आहा आनी ही परिस्थिती आनी बिकट जावपाची आहा. आय थिंक उद्धव ठाकरेला गोव्याकडे काहीतरी अलर्जी झाली असणार. तुम्ही जरा त्यांना सांगा जरा असं करू नका म्हणून. त्यांचे महाराष्ट्राचे जास्तीत जास्त लोक गोव्यामध्ये राहिलेत. आम्ही केलेलं नाही आतापर्यंत. सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन आणि मला तरी पर्सनली वाटतं मोठ्या गॅदरिंग्स, स्विमिंग पूल्स आणि हे जे रेस्टॉरंट 50% ह्याच्यावर ठेवायची सध्या तरी एक महिना 1.5 महिना तरी गरज आहे, जोपर्यंत हा कर्व खालती जात नाही. आणि स्विमिंग पूल्स तर बंद करायची गरज आहे. जिम्समध्ये 50%. पण हे सगळं मी तुम्हाला अनऑफिशियली सांगतो, पण ऑफिशियली
तरणाट्यांनी परिस्थिती ओळखूंक जाय. पार्ट्यो करपाचे हे दीस न्ही.
पीपल ऑफ गोवा नीड टू अंडरस्टँड, young generation needs to understand is stop partying, stay at home. This is not the time for you to party. This is a serious situation in the state, in the country. Clubs, we see that people are without face masks, without masks, nothing, everybody jumping around the place. Action should be taken against such clubs. Because today I speak as a very passionately as a health minister of the state of Goa, because the load is increasing on the health sector, load is increasing on the doctors, and parents of these young children and young parents must try to keep their children in the house rather than send them for parties. Every weekend we see on the beach, in Morjim and in many other areas, it seems to be a free-flow party everywhere. And as a result, this is affecting more people. Infectivity is increasing. This virus, as we have already said, is an infective virus. It is infecting more compared to last year. And as a result, we all must take care.
मोबाईल व्हॅन टेस्टिंग सुरू केल्या. रेमडेसिविराचो स्टॉक आसा. जीएमसीत बेड्स फुल झाल्यात. परिस्थिती हाताबाहेर वचूंक जायना म्हणून काम चालू आसा.
तुम्हाला गरज आहे.
रेमडेसिवीरचं स्टॅटिस्टिक्स आहे माझ्याकडे. आता 660 इंजेक्शन्स आहेत पेंडिंग. माझ्याकडे एक्स्ट्रा आहेत विच आफ्टर डिस्ट्रीब्युटिंग टू साऊथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल, गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज. 660 vials are there with central pharmacy of Goa Medical College. Plus tomorrow we'll get a consignment of 4,000 from Sipla. All beds are occupied, all wards are full. So today we are starting one more ward in, that is ward 121. So we will increase beds as and when they are required. If every day there is a need of 30 beds, we will make 30 beds. Mobile van testing आजपासून आपण कमिशन केली आहे, आपल्या कॅम्पसमध्ये आहे. आणि this van will take care of all backlogs which are there in GMC. We are also procuring 5 new Roche machines. These are RT-PCR machines, open platform. Now it is very cheap if you take an open platform RT-PCR machine.
गोंयांत कोरोना दुयेंती देमायज वाडूंक लागल्यात. आनीक 17 बळी 940 दुयेंती. पॉझिटिव्हिटी रेट 35% तेंकली. कोरोनाची ल्हार वाडटा ती पळोवन मिलाग्रिसाचे फेस्त लोकां खातीर कॅन्सल. भितरले भितर धार्मीक विधी जाले.
Occurrence because suddenly this thing spread out and it took us by surprise. But what we really tried to do is through our WhatsApp messages try to tell people worship from home.
ताकि पोरू सुद्दां आमकां पेंडेमिका खातीर we had to go through this difficult system and celebrate the feast on our own at our house on a small level. This year again, due to the difficulties of the pandemic, we've had to cut the entire celebration, the entire ceremonies.
कोविडाचे वाडटे ल्हारेक उपाय म्हणल्यार वाशीन घेवप म्हूण सरकार सांगता. वाशिनां घेवंक लोकांचो बरो प्रतिसाद मेळटा.
पंचायतीक हेल्प घेवन आयज आमी हे उत्सव आयज आमगे हितू पंचायतीन केला आनी लोकांक आमकां बरो रिस्पॉन्स मेळ्ळा.
कितें तरी बरें कित्याक हांवें मुगेल डोस दोनूय डोस घेयले. सेकंडूय डोस घेयला हांव बरो आहा म्हाका कांय प्रॉब्लेम जालो ना. सो हांव मागत लोकां कडेन हे भाशेन गांवांत जर पावता सो ते भाशेन तेणी येवन विलेज लेवलाचेर जाता जाल्यार सरकारान केलां तें जायतें बरें.